Hazrat Fazl bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that he was sitting behind Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the mount. He said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the evening of Arafah and morning of Muzdalifah would say to the people, "Walk slowly." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would travel halting his she-camel at different places until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered Muhassir Valley. Muhassir is in Mina. There he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Pick up the gravels for pelting." Hazrat Fazl radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept pronouncing talbiyah until the jamra was pelted. A similar narration has been reported with another authority, but it aids Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would signal with his hand as a man pelt a pebble with his thumb and index finger. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3078.